Victoria Smith, and I just purchased this antique 1930s vintage radio, which is the colonial antique radio. Its model number is 605. I looked it up, it's around 1930s. I restored a different 1930s vintage radio. And that was a Philco radio, but it didn't have all the parts and tubes inside it. And this one that I just purchased off Facebook Marketplace, it does. All the tubes in it, and I'm gonna see if I can get that working. I'm gonna sand it and scuff it a bit and restain some of it and add polyurethane and make it like it was new. Add new fabric. I'm gonna try to keep it the same, and then I'm trying to open up a booth at an antique store